Hi everyone, my name is Faith and I'm from TELUS World of Science Edmonton. So I'm here today to share with you a science at home experiment, which is coloring eggs. So this is one that you could maybe use for Easter. So what you're going to need is baking soda. You're going to need vinegar in a clear glass preferably because it's more fun to see it that way. You also are going to need food coloring and a plate or bowl to mix your colors with, also a little paintbrush, hard-boiled egg, and then have all of it maybe on a tray, I think would be best, or a tablecloth. So how you're going to do this is put some baking soda on your plate or little bowl. Then you're going to take your food coloring and you're going to make the baking soda quite wet with the food coloring. You want it to be able to stick to the egg, and the more that can stick, the better, because it'll be a better reaction. So once you have your wet baking soda, you can start painting your egg with. Now I have my egg covered in my colored baking soda. I'm going to move my vinegar glass to the middle here, and I'm going to drop in the egg. Awesome. Ooh, okay, so as you can see, it can get a little bit messy, which is why it's good to have a tray or something similar to do this on. Once it's done fizzing, so the baking soda has all reacted with the vinegar, you can take your egg out. And there you have your painted egg. So I would let that dry for a while. And here you can see a different one I have done before. So this one's a purple one. I mixed some red and blue together to get this one. So please do this yourself. Take photos or videos of the different eggs that you make with your vinegar and baking soda reactions, and share it with the hashtag #MyTwose so we can see it and share it with others. See you!